Hey everyone, this is Zep from Tech Talk. And today I'm going to show you how easy it was for me to transform my Windows 11 into a Mac OS and gave it what I think is a nice makeover. And not only am I going to do that, I'm going to share with you um, some free images that I created. They're all AI generated. Um, and I'm going to share them with you in a zip file. So grab a drink, stick around for a few minutes, and let me show you how to do this. It's really awesome, and this actually all functions just like a regular Mac, and even have the icon up here, and all of these things all function. Now, keep in mind, you use any of this at your own risk, but obviously, anytime you modify your operating system, there's always risk involved. So, all right, so let me show you how I did this. And before I do, though, please consider hitting that thumbs up and love to have you subscribe and share this with your friends. All right, so let's get to it. I'll stop wasting your time. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the two files that we need. I mean, technically, you don't actually need the images. I'm giving you the images for free. There's a bunch of them in there. There's probably like 70, 80 of them. But anyways, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download them. So copy each link, and then, for example, I'm at the RAR file. I'm going to go ahead and hit download, and it's a pretty quick downloader. Once it's done, we can go right to the next one. And this is my personal file, and you're going to hit the download arrow right here and click download anyways. And this should also download really quick. These are just JPEG, I believe. And we're going to have to unzip both of these. And it's pretty simple to do. This is really quick and easy. All right, so they're downloaded now, so we can just go ahead and navigate right to the folder. And we're pretty much done with those. So I'm going to go ahead and right click all images, and I'm going to extract all. In this one, I think I'm going to go browse, and I'm going to put it in the pictures folder, and then I'm going to hit select folder and then hit extract. And that way we'll know exactly where they're at, and they'll be easy to find when we're ready to do so. Now you'll notice I've already got an Apple desktop background already. All right, so now we're going to go back to downloads, and I'm going to unzip the Mac OS dock RAR, right click on it, hit extract all. And this one, we're just going to leave it right here. We're going to hit extract. And this should extract pretty quick. It's just a simple application. Now, keep in mind, I may have said this already, but use these at your own risk. I've been using this for a little while now, and I haven't had any problems with it. Um, so I'm going to go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and go back to downloads just to make sure we grab the right one. We don't want the RAR. Now we want this one here. We're going to click on it, right click, and we're going to go copy. And then we're going to go to this PC over the left-hand side and double click on the C drive. And then we're just going to come over here, not right there, down here. We're going to right click and we're going to hit paste. And you should see the file be added right here. We don't want to add it into any of these other files. Not that we can't move it back, but and then we're almost done already. So now once that's done, we're going to double click on this and we're going to scroll. Oh, I forgot we got another folder in here. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to mydoc.exe. We're going to double click on it. You'll get a scary message here. Um, click on more info or just click yes to allow it. Hit run anyway. Oh, there it is. I was going to say there should be one more running. So I'm click run. Now we should be able to close this out. And there you go. You see the dock is right here. But now you'll notice that this is still here. So, and you'll notice these are still here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes in here. Right click right here in this general area, and we're going to go to preferences. Well, let's start by hiding the taskbar. So right click and hit hide taskbar. Now that should be gone for good. That should not be showing anymore. Now we're going to scroll down here. We're going to be on the general tab. We're going to scroll down, and where it says don't start on boot, we're going to change this to start as services. That way the service starts every time the Windows operating system starts. And then we're going to go to appearance. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of appearance. And we're going to change this to OS X. And then we're going to change this dock skin to OS X 10.9. And then now you get that nice little look. And we're most of the way done. Now the launchpad, um, let's see, right here, choose which icons will be displayed by Launchpad. If you click this now, you're going to see there's going to be nothing there. But if we change this to add icon and start menu, and then click OK, now this should restart this should restart this. If it does not, you're going to have to automatically restart it. And I'll go ahead and close this, and we'll hit restart dock right here. And then once it opens, we should be able to see all of these all the icons underneath the launcher. There you go. And you can flip through these. So let me click the launcher. If you click on this middle one or these little dots down here, they'll let you scroll through all your stuff. So next thing is you right click here, and you go to view and uncheck show desktop icons, and that is gone. Now you can um, let's go to our images. Sorry, yeah, throat's getting a little froggy. Oh, sorry. Let's go to our Explorer, File Explorer, and then we're going to go to Pictures, and then you can pick any one of these pictures you want, and that's pretty much it. So just select one. Well, don't double click on it. Right click on it. Let me try it again. Right click and then set as desktop background. And that should change. And um, so the next thing you need to know is how to remove this. And that's pretty easy. So in order to remove it, you click here, right click, go to Preferences, go to the General tab, and then you're going to scroll down to here and change this back to don't start on boot. Hit yes, and then restart your computer. Don't try anything else, but restart your computer. And then you're going to come back into here, File Explorer, and you're literally going to go into the C drive, and you're just going to delete this folder. Delete this one. I have two in here because I did this twice, but right click and then just hit delete. And that's it, my friends. It will be gone. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any trouble, um, please, ask me questions below, comment below, and please share this with everybody. I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, I like the feel of it. I'm going to be honest with you. Um, it seems to work pretty well. I mean, you can navigate the internet. I'm even running this in a virtual machine right now at the same time. So as you can see, I'm back to my my actual PC, and this is just running great. And let me know what you think. I'm going to work on some other projects like this, creating some of my own docks and, some other little trinkets for to make a Windows machine look more like MacBook. But let me know what you think. All right. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. I appreciate you if you stayed this long. Again, please consider hitting the like and subscribe. All right. Have a great day. All right. Bye bye.